Greeting, financial explorers. Today, we're diving into the profound topic of 10 habits and mindsets that can keep you anchored in the realm of financial struggle. Recognizing these pitfalls is the first step toward breaking free and unlocking your path to prosperity. So, let's shed light on the wealth-killing habits that you need to leave behind. First on the list is the habit of living beyond your means. It's a dangerous game, prevents wealth accumulation. As Warren Buffett wisely said, do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving. Next up, we have the tendency to neglect financial education. Ignore about money matters can be a significant barrier. Take charge of your financial literacy. It's the key to making informed and empowering decisions. Third, procrastination is a silent wealth killer. Postponing financial decisions can lead to missed opportunities. Break free from the shackles of procrastination and start investing in your future today. Another detrimental habit is the lack of goal setting. Without clear financial goals, it's like sailing without a destination. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound SMART goals to guide your financial journey. Fifth, the fear of taking calculated risk can keep you stagnant. As Robert Kiyosaki suggests, don't let the fear of losing be greater than the excitement of winning. Embrace strategic risk that can propel you towards success. Avoiding investments is another habit that hinders wealth creation. Let your money work for you through strategic investments. Start small, diversify, and watch your wealth grow over time. Seventh on our list is succumbing to consumerism. The constant pursuit of material possessions can lead to a perpetual cycle of debt. Shift your focus toward financial freedom rather than fleeting pleasures. Neglecting health is a silent wealth destroyer. Medical expenses can drain your finances if you are not proactive about your well-being. Invest in health through preventive measures and smart lifestyle choices. Eighth, a lack of perseverance can thwart your financial success. As Thomas Edison remarked, many of life's failures are people who did not realize how close they were to success when they gave up. Keep pushing forward in the face of challenges. Next, the habit of comparison can breed discontent. Focus on your unique financial journey rather than comparing it to others. Each person's path is different, and success comes in various forms. Lastly, living with a scarcity mindset can become a self-fulfilling prophecy. Shift towards an abundance mindset, believing that opportunities and wealth are limitless. Abundance begets abundance. If you found this insight valuable, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more transformative financial wisdom. Until next time, break free from the chains of financial constraints. This is Financial Whiteboard World.